This is the sour cherry tree. It is small but very lovely. Its green leaves move gently in the wind. When the red fruits appear, the tree looks full of life. Each fruit is small, round, and shiny. The taste of sour, but a little sweet too. Children love to eat them with a smile. Birds come to taste the fruit as well. The sour cherry tree gives beauty to the nature. It reminds us that even the smallest fruit can bring joy and color